Welcome to Rau Muong, Vietnam. Hello. Hello everyone. This is my lovely bike and today we're going to go out by this bike. I love it. I love this bike. I come to this small open air shop to buy vegetable for the lunch. Okay, keep going. Very close to the city, but the air is very fresh. Very nature. Oh, I see two cars over there. They also have a camping. Oh, my bike is very small, and the road is very bad. Actually, it's not the road. Oh, ooh. I will try to find some place for camping. Oh, it's good here. Wow. Finally, I decided to stay here for today. So I will make the tent around here, and this is a good view for me. I can take the views. I have a good look at the river. Okay. I have just bought this chair online. I don't know how does it work. This is the first time I use this. It looks okay. Oh, there's a hole. Let's see how does it work. I think many of you already have it, but for me, this is first time. Very convenient, easy to install. It's okay, huh? Fine. Yeah. And I'm not sure if I can use this for long, but it's okay. No. Here. You know, it's very light and very easy to carry for traveling by motorbike. We need the things very light, and this one is okay. Now, wow, good. It's fine. It's fine. Now I will start to make the coffee. Here I have a cooker, gas tank, cups, coffee, and water. I'll make my coffee first. I like this cooker because it's very convenient. Very convenient and very small, and I can bring it to anywhere I want. Small tank, small gas tank. I think I need this one to cover because it's very windy here. Okay, coffee is finished, and now it's time for me to relax and feeling the coffee. Peaceful here. Sometimes I want to go out and have just sitting alone like this. It's also relaxable. There is some guys trying to play the racings. Let's take a look around. Oh, I see an aeroplane. Oh, very near. Very near to me. Not so far from here, there is an airport, small airport for the military. There is more canals over there. I think that is a family. Some family, you know, they live in the river. They don't have a house. All the time, they live in the river, fishing. Life is not easy for them. Oh, what that? Oh, it's a herb. This is kind of herb, but I don't know the English name. In Vietnam, we say lá mơ. It's very good for health. I will pick some and I will make with eggs. It's very easy to make. We mix it with eggs. I have 3 eggs for lunch today. When coming here, I went to this very small open air market to buy this kind of vegetable. You know, this is very popular vegetable for Vietnamese. This is Rau Muong. It's very popular and very easy to cook. I bought this 10,000 Vietnamese dong. It's like about 40 cents. And today I will cook this vegetable 40 cents. 3 eggs. 3 eggs is also I think so 3 cents. 3 eggs is about 40 cents. And I have a rice. Rice also Vietnamese main food. So totally, this lunch is about $1. And now I will show you how to cook this one. It's very easy. The easy way to cook it. It's boil. I don't know, do you have it in the country? So I use Vietnamese name. This is big for me because I think I should try only half of them. Even not half. You know that when they harvest Rau Muong, they pick all of them, and when we cook, we have to separate it. It is hard and it is soft, and we eat the soft parts. That's it. Now, separate it. I think basically, as my understanding and as my feeling, we pick 2 half, we eat it, and it is throw away. We don't use this. Basically, you know that for Vietnamese, it is very cheap and popular for us. It's grow every time of the year, but the summer is a season. It's a big season, but every time of the year we can have it. If you know the name of this festival the English name, please tell me. I don't know. I only say Rau Muong. It's a big one. I think this is for one family with about 4 people. I'm only I'm I make only for me, so I don't need it many. I saw one guy going the dirt bike. Oh, it's so many. I think I need not half, only 1/4. 1/4. 1/4 is enough for me. I think that some Asian country, Southeast Asian country also have this kind of vegetable. This amount is enough for me. And bring this one home. And here's a remain so many, only 40 cents. So many. Now I need to wash it. Wash carefully. Put it in the pot with the water. The water is meant to you. And now I start to boil it. Just only boiled, covered, and wait. Okay. After about 5 minutes, Rau Muong was done. You see? Now take it out. And it's edible. Very, very easy, you know. I think everyone can cook it, especially the man. When we need to eat someone, we can make it. There are also several kinds of making this vegetable, but today I will only show you how to boil it the easiest way. And this water, we can drink it while eating. It's not sauce. I would say that it is vegetable water. That's all. You remember my herbs? I have to wash the herbs, and then I will cook this herb with eggs. I have 3 eggs today. Actually, I should have cooking oil, but today I don't have, so I use the butter. Oh my God! Sorry. Oh my God. Wow. Now herbs. Mix them together. I have a salt. Some salt in. A little bit more. Okay. You know, I like chili food, so I usually put chili. I like spicy, so I put some chilies on the eggs. And some pepper. Okay. And I will put the rice on, mix them together. I think I need more chilies because I like spicy food. Now I need the sauces to eat with Rau Muong. This is fish sauces. You know, Vietnamese really like fish sauces. We eat it every day. It is not status for some other people, but for Vietnamese it's very popular and we eat it every day. Fish sauces. Okay, some more. Okay. Fish sauces. Chili. And lemon. Shower. You are watching how to make this. The sauces to eat with Rau Muong. Okay. Here's rice. Okay, here I have a $1 lunch. Rau Muong, rice with eggs, and fish sauces. I think that's enough for me for the lunch. Now enjoy the meal with me. The luncheons in the bank of the river. Tasty. After lunch is tea time. You see there are so many buildings over there, and surely a lot of people living there. And you know that when people come from other provinces, come to this bridge and they come into the city, and the first impression is building. Hanoi is very crowded and busy city.